Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel GK Plus. Today we are going to discuss some repeated GK questions in various competitive examinations. So let's get started. First question, which animal breathes through the skin? Options: A. Snake, B. Frog, C. Tortoise, D. Dolphin. Answer: B. Frog. Let's check the other options. Snake. Snake breathes through its nostril, tortoise through external nail, and dolphin through its blowhole. Second question, which state has the largest coastline in India? A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Maharashtra. Answer: B. Gujarat. And Gujarat has 1596 kilometer coastline. Third question, in which year Bengal was reunited? A. 1911, B. 1912, C. 1909, D. 1905. Answer: A. 1911. Bengal was partitioned in the year 1905. Lord Curzon was the viceroy during that period. Fourth question, in which year Delhi became the capital of India? A. 1911, B. 1912, C. 1910, D. 1905. Answer: A. 1911. Fifth question, color of the urine is yellow because of A. Urochrome, B. Potassium, C. Endorphin, D. Insulin. Answer: A. Urochrome. And urochrome has another name, urobilin. Sixth question, which is the largest river basin in India? A. Godavari, B. Narmada, C. Yamuna, D. Ganga. Answer: D. Ganga. Let's check other facts about Ganga. Origin of Ganga. Gangotri Glacier. Total length of Ganga River 2526 km. Two branches of Ganga, Bharati and Alagananda. Seventh question, which river originated Amarkandak? A. Mahanadi, B. Godavari, C. Narmada, D. Krishna. Answer: C. Narmada. Here Mahanadi originates from Sihava mountain, is located in Chhattisgarh. Godavari from Triambakeshwar, located at Maharashtra. Krishna originates from Mahabaleshwar, is also in Maharashtra. Eighth question, maximum strength of Rajya Sabha. A. 260, B. 250, C. 210, D. 150. Answer: 250. Here out of 250, 238 members representing the states and union territory and 12 nominated by President. Ninth question, which is a landlocked sea? A. Caribbean Sea, B. Aral Sea, C. Red Sea, D. Caspian Sea. Answer B. Aral Sea. A sea is landlocked if does not have access to an ocean. 10th and last question. Which country is the leading producer of uranium? A. Australia, B. Canada, C. USA, D. Japan. Answer B. Canada. Thank you.